Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to share with you top 10 premium Magic Readers Pack pre-Photoshop actions. These all top 10 premium Magic Readers Pack are created by me. I hope you must like this all top 10 premium Magic Readers Pack pre-Photoshop actions. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software. Open your any image. Which image do you want to apply Magic Readers top 10 premium Magic Readers Pack pre Photoshop actions? Okay, I open these three images to apply top 10 premium Magic Readers Pack. And now this time we need to do load the Photoshop actions. So go to the window menu, then click on the actions or hold press Alt and function 9 to open your top 10 premium Magic Readers Photoshop action. Now this time click on this icon, click on here and click on the load actions. Here you can see top 10 premium Magic Readers Pack by Shazim Creations. Select these actions, then click on the load, and here you can see the top 10 premium Magic Readers Pack comes here. First I will apply skin retouching Photoshop action. So select this skin retouching by Shazim Creations, this first action, then just one click on the play button. Select the Gaussian blur radius. You can decreases or increases as your preferences, then click on the OK. And now select your hyper's radius, then click on the OK. This message, read this message, then click on the continue. This message for everyone from me. Visit our official website www.shazimcreations.com and our another website www.photoshopfree.net. Read this message, then click on the continue. Decreases the brush point. Zoom in your image and now paint over your skin to skin retouching. You can opacity decreases or increases from here, opacity and flow. I will show you quickly because I need to show you all top 10 premium Magic Readers Photoshop action. Just I will show you the guideline how to use this top 10 premium Magic Readers Photoshop action, my created Photoshop action. Okay, that is the before and that is the after, and you can see here very nice and very smoothly skin retouching using my created Photoshop action. Okay, first skin retouching actions close and delete this layer and apply another. Then I will show you the second Photoshop action, skin softening by Shazim Creations. Select this skin softening by Shazim Creations action, then just one click on the play button. Select the radius, then click on the OK, then Gaussian blur, then click on the OK, click on continue. Read this message, then click on the continue. Make sure to select this black mask layer and now paint over your skin to softening skin. That is the softening skin retouching action. It's really all of Magic Photoshop action, Magic Readers Pack. I hope you must like my all Photoshop actions pack. See the output of the image, skin softening Photoshop action. That is the before and that is the after. Now again delete this skin softening layer, and now third Photoshop actions, sharpening skin by Shazim Creation. All are same way. Just select the action, then just one click on the play button. Click on the continue and look the output of the image. It's really a sharpening. Paint over your skin to sharpening opacity and flow 100%. Look the output of the image, that is the before image and that is the after image. That is the before and that is the after. If you want to more sharpening, so select this sharpening layer, then just duplicate this layer, right click on the mouse, then duplicate layer, click on the OK, and see the output of the image, that is the before and that is the after. Very nice and very beautiful sharpening the skin. Now delete this layer again and apply another Photoshop action. Now this is the fourth Photoshop action, skin texture by Shazam Creation. Just select this action and just one click on the play button. Click on the continue. Now just paint over your skin to skin texture. This action retouching your skin, and beside this retouch also sharpening your skin. Look the output of the image, retouch and also sharpening skin. You can see this is the really magic retouch action. I hope you must all of these 10 premium magic retouch Photoshop action. Now delete this layer again, delete, then again apply another, that is the fifth Photoshop action, skin shadow reducer. Select this action, then just one click on the play button. That is the skin shadow reducer. Here is the shadow. So just paint over your skin, which area is shadow. So must decreases opacity and flow, and just easily paint over your skin, which area shadow, and now see the output of the image, that is the before and that is the after. That is really a shadow reducer and shadow remover action. That is the magic shadow reducer action. Another photo example, select this image, select this Photoshop action, skin shadow reducer, then just one click on the play button, and here reduce your shadow. That is the before image and that is the after image. Now again delete this layer, skin shadow reducer layer, and again apply another Photoshop action, delete, then select this skin highlight reducer, that is the skin highlight reducer action, magic retouching action. Select this skin highlight reducer action, then just one click on the play button, click on the continue. Here is right side skin highlights. You can see, just paint over your skin to highlight reducer, highlight reducing, opacity and flow 100%, and here you can see the opacity 50%, opacity increases the opacity, and see the output of the image, that is the before image and that is the after image. And you can see this is a really skin highlight reducer action, and you can see the output of the image. The skin looks very nice, and also apply on this image, that is the before image and that is the after image. Now delete this layer group, skin highlight reducer by Shazam Creations layer. Also delete this highlight reducing, and now eye retouching action. And now this is the 7th Photoshop action, eye retouching action. So select this eye retouching action, then just one click on the play button, click on the continue. Select first select this Irish Bride, black mask, then zoom in your image, decreases your brush point, then paint over your iris, your eyes. That is the before and that is the after. And second select this white layer, select this black mask, make sure to black mask, and easily paint over your white area. Now see the output of the image. That is the before image and that is the after image. Remove unexpected white area by clicking this option, switch background, foreground and background color. Then just remove the unexpected white area. Here is foreground color white to add white area, and foreground color black to remove white area. Remember that is the before and that is the after. And now again delete this iRita Sync by Shazam Creations layer group, and again apply another Photoshop action. Select this red leaves by Shazam Creations, that this magic retouch action. Select this action, red lipstick by Shazam Creations, that is the realistic red lipstick Photoshop action. Then just one click on the play button. It's a mistake. Just undo the image, Control or Command Z. This action must be create duplicate layer. So click on the mouse right click, then click on the duplicate layer, click on the OK, and then select this red leaves by Shazam Creations action. Then just one click on the play button, click on the continue, and easily paint over the leaves. That is really a realistic lipstick color. You can opacity decreases the lipstick color from here. That is the before and that is the after. Another photo example, red lipstick by Shazam Creations. Select this action, then duplicate the layer and just one click on the play button to apply red lipstick color. Photoshop action. Then paint over your lips. Paint over your lips realistic red lipstick color. See the output of the image. That is the before and that is the after. Delete this layer group, and now this time I will show you the first action is whitening teeth. Again delete this layer group and go to another image, whitening teeth. So select this whitening teeth action, then just one click on the play button, click on the continue, then paint over your teeth for whitening your teeth. If you want to more whitening, so just select this layer group and duplicate this layer to more whitening teeth. Opacity some decreases. that is the before image and that is the after image. Or you can delete this on layer. Just naturally you can see really a whitening teeth Photoshop action, whitening teeth Photoshop action, and finally 10th Photoshop action, hair color change Photoshop action. So delete this layer group, whitening teeth action, and select this layer and select this hair color change by Shazam Creations, this Photoshop action. Then just one click on the play button, click on the continue, then paint over your hair to hair color change, remove unexpected area, just exchange from here foreground color black for remove and foreground color white for add color. Okay, now double click on the layer thumbnail, hue saturation, and change from here and see the output of the image, hair color change. Opacity some decreases. You can change hair color by using my guideline. I hope you must like my top 10 premium Magic Retouch Photoshop action. I created this all top 10 premium Magic Retouch Photoshop action for everyone. So go to this video description box and download this top 10 premium Magic Retouch Photoshop free action. Support me and like, comment and share this video with your friends. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you. See you next tutorial.